Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add a second logo into your WordPress website. So as you can see on this website, on the left hand side we have the main logo, and at the end of the menu on the right side you can see another logo here. Also on this website there are two logos present, and the navigation is here on the right side. So most of the theme doesn't have this option for the second logo, and to add this we need to write a few lines of custom CSS code, and I'll provide that code in the description box. But first let me show you how we can do this. Okay, so this is the website to which I'll add the second logo here, and to do this just go to your dashboard and go to appearance and customize, or if you are logged in into your dashboard then you can see customize here. So click customize, and you will be redirected to customization page. Now here most of the theme has additional CSS or custom CSS option, so click that. You can close this, and now here we will write a few lines of custom CSS, and this is the code which we're gonna write here. So just copy this code from the description box, paste it here, and now as you can see the image URL is red, and the reason this is an error, and we will put our image, our logo URL here. Now to get the logo URL, go back to your dashboard and go to media library. Now first you will have to upload your logo here. You can click add new and select file and can upload the logo. I already have uploaded the logo. So once you upload the logo, just click that and you will see file URL here. Now to copy this, just click this button, copy URL to clipboard. Now go back to customization, remove the image URL and paste that URL. Once you paste that, then you will see your logo appearing here. Now if you want to change the position of the logo, you can customize this code. For example, I want to make it a little higher, so I'll write -30, and as you can see the logo is now a little higher than the menu. To put it back, I'll write 15 again. The margin left is for floating the logo to the right side. If I remove this or make it 100, then as you can see this is overriding the menu which we don't want. So I'll write 800 again. Now let's publish this. And to check this, close the customization. And as you can see we have the logo on the right side, and this is the main logo. Now again we have override a menu item. So if you want to check this on live website, you can check this in inspection. So just right click, click inspect, and this will present under your main menu. So open up this, scroll down and click after, and you will see that coding that we just write here. Now to check the margin, let's remove this for now, and as you can see it float to left side. Now click again and I'll make it 900, and now as you can see the logo looks fine and it is not overriding any of the item. Now this is just a temporary changes, and if you refresh the website then it will last. This is just for testing your website. If I make it 850, then 870. So that is how you can change the position. Now for the top, I'll write -12 or -13. Once you finalize your input here, you can copy this and go back to customize. And change the setting Just paste that and click publish. Now let's check again, and it looks perfect. So that is how you can add a secondary logo into your WordPress website. I will provide this code down in the description box. You can copy this from there. If you want to check this on mobile view, then you can right click and click inspect again and click mobile view here, and now you can see your logo here. To check the tablet view, you can resize it here, and that is how it will appear on your tablet. So the menu is totally dependent on your theme. Close it again. And this was just the idea how you can add a secondary logo into your WordPress website. So copy this from the description box and change the URL here, and that's it. Hope the video will help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next